What's up, fellas? In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse the spiral on a tree model. I was fighting this one myself. I was like, okay, 5 spirals, rotation of 2, 360, type round, flat ribbon. None of this stuff worked. Setting it to flat ended up doing that. Ribbon. So how do you get it to spiral the other way? My trees are like these others. They're all spiraling counterclockwise. Well, the answer is not very intuitive, but what you do is you go in here and you just keep going backwards until it rotates with a negative number. And as you can see, the spirals are reversed. There you have it. That is how you reverse the spiral of a spiral model in Xlights.